traffic, Skyhawk 9480 Echo, departing runway 23, staying in the pattern, Mount Pocono.
Pocono traffic, 33 Golf, face to final, 23 Mount Pocono.
Central Jersey traffic, Super Cruiser, 10 miles.
Pocono Mountain Airport, Skyhawk is taking the active 23, Pocono Mountain.
Pocono traffic, 33 Golf, clear of all runways, Mount Pocono.
Camera.
Entering runway.
Action. Okay. Feet on the floor. Full power. Engines in the green. Airspeed alive. 55. Rotate.
Mount Pocono traffic.
At Pocono Airport, Skyhawk is turning right crosswind and leaving the area. Pocono traffic. Okay, I guess we'll stay back at 3,500.
Sounds good. And we're heading back to Morristown.
Yeah. Morristown it is. One thing over here too, when I was gliding, see there's like a lake up there?
Yeah, that's what it looked like.
Right up on the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
I was like, what is that? Yeah. I don't know if that's natural, man-made, or what, but I was like, wow, that's pretty wild.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Delaware Gap, right at the 2 o'clock position.
124, 25.
Yep.
Morristown Tower, ATIS information Yankee 1845 Zulu, weather observation. Wind 150 at Niner, visibility 10, 3,900 scattered, ceiling 4,800 broken, 7,000 overcast. Temperature 22, dew point 14, altimeter 3010. ILS approach for runway 23 in use, landing and departing runways 23. Caution, final approach course transits Caldwell, class Delta airspace. Notice
November 828 Yankee reporting ping.
Number 28 Yankee, how will this approach terminate?
Landing, full stop.
Number 28 Yankee, runway 23, clear to land, traffic set on a half-mile final.
Roger that, traffic on a half-mile final, 828 Yankee.
Now tower 0 Tango Hotel is on a right downwind for runway 23.
Number 0 Tango Hotel, number 4 following Archer on left downwind, passing the numbers.
Looking for traffic and we on number 4, 0 Tango Hotel. And tower go turn base.
Number 0 Tango Hotel, affirmative.
Turn base.
Right at Golf of Fable. Number 0 Tango Hotel, wind 15012, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, 0 Tango Hotel. Flaps.
November 48 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 23, line up and wait.
Runway 23, line up and wait, 48 off.
That's what you call a carrier landing.
Number 0 Tango Hotel, contact ground, have a good day.
Go on the ground, good day, 0 Tango Hotel.
November 48 Alpha Foxtrot, wind.
Down ground, Skyhawk, 0 Tango Hotel is clear of the active. Let's taxi to the west side down.
0 Tango Hotel, Morristown ground, stand by.
Stand by.
We made it back.
We made it back, 5 after 3, not bad.
How about that?
Pretty quick.
Yeah. Pretty short for this nice corporate jet over here.
Nice.
They're really nice. Look at
that. Give me a thumbs up.
Oh, yeah.
for 0 Tango Hotel, taxi to West High down via Alpha Bravo, cross runway 31 at taxiway Alpha.
Alpha Bravo course 31 and taxi to West Side Island through Alpha. 0 Tango Hotel.
All right, people. So this is it. Another fantastic day flying.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna text you and text Tony, Tony Pesh.
Okay.
He should be in tomorrow. He has a jump drive for me. So I'm gonna ask him. And this is the end, right? This is it.
Hey, if you like that flight, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you on the next flight. And remember, aviate first.